Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best mattresses of 2026. The most comfortable mattresses for a truly restful night's sleep. Whether you're someone who tosses and turns, a back sleeper seeking better spinal support, or you're upgrading your guest room for endless comfort, we've handpicked the top mattresses that deliver premium comfort, durable support, and wise material design, all aimed at helping you wake up refreshed and pain-free. We'll break down each mattress's key features like construction type, firmness rating, edge support, and sleep position suitability, so you can find the ideal fit for your nightly routine. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and discover your perfect mattress. Starting at number 5 is the Letman Firm Queen Mattress, a solid choice for those who prefer a firmer base and reliable pressure relief. Letman is known for hybrid mattresses in a box, delivering a balanced blend of foam and pocket springs with generous support. This model features a 7-layer hybrid design combining gel-infused memory foam on top with an independent pocket spring matrix, delivering firm support with motion isolation and edge stability. According to specifications, it supports up to 500 pounds on the queen size and is designed without fiberglass for cleaner materials. The breathable knit cover and zoned spring layers add comfort for side or back sleepers who need more support. Next up at number 4 is the ComfBox full-size mattress, perfect for smaller bedrooms, guest rooms, or anyone looking for reliable comfort without overspending. ComfBox is recognized for budget-friendly mattresses, offering a surprising level of quality. This mattress includes a multi-layer foam system built for durability, with a medium-firm feel that suits a wide range of sleep styles. While full specifications such as exact pressure relief zones or coil counts may not be as widely documented as luxury brands, the consensus among buyers is consistent. It offers stable support, simple setup it ships in a box, and good value for its price point. Coming in at number 3 is the Novilla King Mattress, combining generous size with advanced materials for a balanced sleep solution. Novilla is well known for foam and hybrid mattresses designed for comfort and motion isolation. This king-sized model features cooling gel memory foam, a medium soft to medium feel, and strong motion control, ideal for couples or families with pets or restless sleepers. Independent reviews highlight how the structure keeps motion transfer low and supports a comfortable, cooling surface through the night. For example, one recent roundup of budget mattresses under $500 credited Novilla with high marks for side sleeper support and pressure relief. The main caveat? As a foam-heavy design, it may retain more heat than premium hybrids, and heavier sleepers may feel deeper sinkage. Still, for a mid-tier king mattress that offers comfort and value, Novilla hits the mark. At number 2, we have the Dajiuk Queen Mattress, designed for users who want flexibility, modern foam construction, and good performance across multiple sleep positions. Dajiuk focuses on offering rich feature sets, multiple foam layers, cooling covers, and edge-reinforced designs at mid-price points. This queen model includes adaptive memory foam that gently cradles while maintaining overall support, making it suitable for back, side, and combination sleepers. The design aims to reduce motion transfer, provide mild contouring, and deliver a comfortable sleep surface for both solo and partnered sleepers. Finally, at number 1 is the Zinus Spring Hybrid Mattress, the ultimate combination of support, comfort, and value. Zinus is a brand with broad recognition in the mattress-in-a-box category and is lauded for its budget-friendly hybrid builds. The Spring Hybrid model merges individually wrapped pocket coils with comfort foams, delivering balanced support, motion isolation, and a traditional springy feel. Their product literature notes the hybrid design blends cooling gel memory foam, green tea-infused layers, and durable springs for refreshing comfort night after night. The consensus among buyers is consistent. It offers stable support, simple setup it ships in a box, and good value for its price point. And that wraps up our top 5 best mattresses of 2026. The most comfortable mattresses for a good night's sleep. From the structured support of the Letman Firm Hybrid, to the compact value of the ComfBox, the spacious Novilla King Comfort, the feature-rich Dajiuk Queen, and topping the list the balanced and affordable Zinus Spring Hybrid. There's a mattress here for every sleep style and budget. Which one's going to sleep in your bedroom next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Make sure to check the description for current deals and grab the best mattress for your sleep needs today. Thanks for watching.